If you're like me and you love your kids, but you also love your pets, check out this video. Hey, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos, and I am reviewing the Thule Courier. This is the newest stroller multi-use product by Thule. And you can use this with your kids, but you can use this with your pets. Shout out to my dog Cooper, who is a really lovely golden doodle. I also have 3 cats, Mina, Jasper, and Chester, but I do not recommend putting a cat in the stroller, though my kids would absolutely put the cat in the stroller. So it is the Thule Courier, and it is really easy to push. As you can see, there's 17-inch wheels on the back. It holds up to 97 pounds, so you can take this for the weekend. This can do so many things. So not only does this work as a stroller, so you can run with it, you can walk with it, but you can also attach it to a bike. So you have this piece that comes included, and you put it into this little hole, and then you can attach this to the back of your bike. So you can take this away, tote your kids around, or your stuff around, which I'm going to show you in just a second. If you open up, so you can see as well, you have this rain cover material. So if it rains, you can keep your child secure, or if you're out in the cold, creates a nice layer of protection from the elements. So you just sort of toggle this, and you roll this up, and you can see this really nice interior of the stroller, of the Courier. 2 harnesses, so you can put 2 kids in it, you can put 1 kid in it, but what I'm going to show you as well is that you can convert this into a fantastic storage system as well. Check out here in the back. Remove these gray tops, these 2 little tabs on the side, and then you just remove this here, and you remove this here. And then what you do is you pull this towards the front. Get this all settled, but then what you do is you can just take, look at this, this is so cool. This really, really heavy duty secure platform. So you think about it, you are connecting this to your bike, and you're going to the beach, and you want to put all your stuff, you want to put your cooler as you're going around, or if you're out for the day, or if you are thinking about a product that you want to use after you outgrow the stroller phase, this is something that you can use for such a long time. And in fact, like I said, you can even transport your pet in it. Let me show you how that works. But before I do, let me show you how to fold down the Courier. So the best thing to do is there are these little gray pulls on the side. So I just flip this over, and you grab these 2 pulls, and you push this down. Use the leverage, and it goes right down, and you fold it down just like that. So it's not the smallest thing in the world, but what you can do is just push the middle of the back wheel, and you can just remove the back wheel, so it becomes even flatter. So you could put this in the bottom of your trunk. If you have a minivan or a pickup truck, this will fit really nicely. And then you just open this back up. And you just push down this sort of black bar, and it opens right back up really, really easy. Okay, now I'm going to convert the Chariot from child mode to pet mode. Pretty easy thing to do. What you do is just un-Velcro here on the side, un-Velcro here on the side, and you just remove the strap. 1, 2, and then you untoggle from the back. Thule, you know they make all that great gear. You can see those big gear containers on top of people's cars. They just really know what they're doing in terms of their engineering. And you just pop this off, and you pop this off. So easy. All the facets and touch points are really, really easy and high quality. And then you attach this piece to the front. Okay, so I've attached the pet hood for the Thule Courier. And one of the big differences between this and the child one, there's this nice opening so your pet can look out. If your pet's going to stay in there, but you can also close it up if you want to. But they also have, there is also this mesh on the back with a little bit of a storage, so you can put your stuff in here. But they also have this sort of animal tray. I find it easy to just put my finger in the loop and just pull down, and you just have to sort of do some leverage, open it up, and then so you can keep this whole storage tray clean, you can put in essentially a dog bed right inside the stroller, and you can take your dog along with you for the day, either walking with the wheels or also if you want to take it along with you on a bike, which is so cool because now you don't have to have your dog walk all the way to the beach. You just throw them or just place them, don't throw your pets, place them into the Thule Courier and live your best adventures. The Thule Courier is available to buy from us, from Magic Beans, with free shipping. Go check out our website, mbeans.com, and I will see you at the next Magic Beans video.